Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing or a battle of the boxes, if you will. I have in front of me my base February BOXYCHARM box and my Ipsy box, Ipsy bag, whatever, my Ipsy Plus bag box right here in front of me. We're going to be putting these two head to head, unbox them both together, and then see which one is the ultimate winner at the end of everything once it's all said and done. As I'm unboxing, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you got in your box. Do you subscribe to both Boxy and Ipsy? Do you have a favorite? Have you let one go for one reason or another? I'd love to hear from you guys. Let's discuss in the comments down below. With that being said, let's jump into it and let's see what I got in my boxes. So let's start with BOXYCHARM. Now, I know a lot of you commented on, I don't know if it was my last one or the video before, but some of you kind of expressed that you were kind of sick of and over all of these different variations. To me personally, I think it's kind of fun because then I think it really makes it a true surprise. I know that there are spoilers and stuff out there, but at the end of the day, you might not really know what you're going to get in your box with all of these variations, and to me, that's part of the fun. It's almost like getting a monthly mystery box at this point, and I can kind of see where other people might not be a huge fan of that, but for me personally, I think it's kind of fun. So here we are, base BOXYCHARM box. I have no idea what I got inside of my box, so I'm just gonna dig in and grab the card out. So let's see, what is the theme this month? BOXYCHARM Adore, I think. My variation is number 28. Wow, that is a lot of different variations. You guys are all familiar with this. On the inside, it tells you everything that's inside of the box. First item that I see is the item that I chose. So obviously each month or the month prior to the next box, you get to choose an item and customize it. And I went for the Kate Somerville Biomimicking Peptides Smooth and Firm Serum. I have said this over and over again. If I can get my hands on skincare inside of a box, it's only like $25 a month. I am here for it because skincare is extremely expensive. This serum retails for $98. See what I'm saying? I did look this item up on Sephora's website before I chose it, and it did have very good reviews, tons of different reviews, so I was pretty confident. This is a full-size item. It has 1 ounce in it. It says, Kate specifically formulated this highly active concentrate to transform dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed-looking skin. After just 1 week, 97% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tighter. That may be true or not. I kind of have my opinions about, you know, clinical studies and testing with skincare because it takes about 6 to 8 weeks sometimes to really see a true change in your skin. Obviously, there may be ingredients in here that might give you instant gratification, but for your skin to kind of go through its own cycle and to really adjust to a product, it does take a little bit more than just 1 week. But I did, again, like I said, look up the ingredients to this. It does have a lot of ingredients, a ton of different peptides. I didn't see a lot of preservatives or anything like that, no parabens. So I'm pretty excited to give this one a try. It does come in this little dropper bottle, and it says you can use AM and PM 1 to 2 drops to cleansed skin. Now, anytime you have a serum, just a tip, think of your skincare as thinnest products to your thickest. So cleanse, tone, then you will use your serums, and then after that, you will go ahead and moisturize or use any other thicker products. So this spreads really nicely, which is good. It doesn't seem like my skin is just eating it up right away, which sometimes I cannot stand with a serum. You just put it on and there's like a denatured alcohol or something in it and you're just trying to get it on your skin and it's just like sucking it in so quickly, you don't have time to distribute the product. This one seems to have nice spreadability. It has a nice texture to it. Doesn't have a scent at all. I'm pretty excited to try that one out. Of course, let me know in the comments if you chose the serum as well. The next item in this box is the Luxie Complete Sponge Set. This retails for $40. I was really hoping for the Alamar Cosmetics Brush Trio that they just released. Whatever, I could always use more sponges. It says, this set of sponges provides a full array of applications. Each sponge is built with the different density, water retention rates, and shapes. These sponges are the ideal complement to your brush set to obtain a perfect complexion and impeccable look. So it's actually cool, and I think that's pretty nice that they made sponges that have different densities, thickness, water retention abilities to them, because you do need different types of things for different areas on the face when you are using a sponge. This one says it comes with a detail blender, a precision blender, and a powder blender. I do like the colors of these. So that one feels like it's a little bit more on the firm side. The shape and the feeling of this is very similar to the Morphe sponge, while this one feels even more dense and it has like that Real Techniques shape. But this one is very dense. This one's actually pretty soft. They all kind of feel a little bit too firm for my liking. All right, moving on. Let's see what's next. I have the Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. This retails for $25. I am a huge fan of the Amika Dry Shampoo, but again, it is very expensive. I purchased it once. I have yet to repurchase it because it is just a little hefty with the price tag. It says the Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream is a weightless leave-in cream that provides superior hydration, detangling, and lightweight conditioning, leaving hair supernaturally soft, smooth, with brilliant shine. So that's actually kind of nice. I'm not the hugest fan of getting like hair care products in a box. It smells really good. I don't know what it is. Like, I just don't invest a lot into my hair, which most of you probably can tell. It's on top of my head 90% of the time. I have tons of grays. I dye it maybe once every 4 or 5 months. It's just one of those things where I don't know what it is. I just can't be bothered with it. My makeup, I can spend hours on that. My skincare, I can spend hours and invest hundreds of dollars. But when it comes to my hair, I don't know what it is, and maybe I should be a little bit more mindful of it, but whatever. That one, though, I can actually see myself using. What do we have next? This is from Pure. This is a 4-in-1 correcting primer. It says it energizes and rescues with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. It is silicone-free. Retails for $17. 4-in-1 correcting primer, energize and rescue, will become your must-have beauty tonic and primer for your best and worst skin days. Packed with good-for-your-skin ingredients such as probiotics, aloe, caffeine, and coconut water, this primer helps smooth and soothe your skin. All right, so let's take a look at this. Now, I have very dry skin. Ooh, kind of was thinking that this would be like more of a thick texture, but it's not. It's kind of like a very weightless cream, and that is really nice. I am a huge fan of the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation, the liquid one that they came out with last year. I love their pressed powder foundation, one of my all-time favorite powder foundations. They just have really good ingredients, and I just really love that about them. They offer full coverage with clean ingredients. I think that's kind of hard to come by, so I really, really enjoy that. No added fragrance. Again, I love that it is silicone free, and wow, that does actually feel very soft. So I'm really excited to try that one out. Moving on, what do we have next? We have some brushes. This is from Moda by Royal Langnickel. This is their 5-piece deluxe eye kit. These are 100% vegan, so they are synthetic brushes. This retails for $27.95. It says Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line features superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. I think I've gotten Moda brushes in BOXYCHARM before, but more like individual brushes. The BMX 430, which is this guy right here, I think that was one of the brushes I had gotten before. I mean, I could always use more eye brushes. I get pretty lazy and I don't ever clean them that often, and I have hundreds, and I mean hundreds, of eyeshadow brushes because of this. When I'm getting ready to film or I'm just trying to get out the door, trying to go to work, I'm pretty busy 90% of the time, so I just can't be bothered with constantly having to clean my brushes. So I do like having a ton. Most of my collection has really come from subscription boxes, mystery boxes, stuff like that. I think it's a pretty cool way to really build up a pretty massive brush collection. But these are pretty much the essentials. We have a shader brush, a crease brush, a liner brush. Now this can even be used for your brows. We have a detail brush, would be awesome for the lower lash line, inner corner, or if you're trying to get more precise color here in the crease, so you can kind of create like more of a cut crease look. And then we have a smudger, which is awesome for the lower lash line as well. These feel pretty soft. I don't really have any complaints. The handles are nice, pretty awesome. Put those to the side. That was everything in the BOXYCHARM box. I will go ahead and put the total value of my box up here on the screen. At first, I thought I was going to be a little bit disappointed in this box when I saw the spoilers and everything, and when I saw other people unboxing, but I'm actually pretty impressed with it. I'm really into the primer that I got right here. I'm always looking for a good hydrating primer. Super excited about this serum. Actually looking forward to trying the hair care product in here. Can't complain that I got the brushes. So, oh, and yeah, the Luxie sponge set. I think out of all of this, what I'm least excited for is definitely the sponges. Again, like I said, I can kind of tell right off the bat, these sponges just feel a little bit too firm for my liking, so I don't know if I'm going to love them. I'm even debating trying them. I want to save them for a giveaway. who knows? We will see. 4 out of 5 products I do approve of, so that's pretty good if you ask me for 25 bucks. I think there was actually some pretty good high ticket items in that box. We are going to set a little old BOXYCHARM to the side. We are going to dive into this guy here now. We've got Ipsy Plus. So this one says Feel the Love. This one doesn't really say anything about the products on the inside. That's totally fine. Let's go for the first item, and it says LaRouche. Vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and synthetic. I'm thinking that these are going to be some brushes, but how cute and bougie is this packaging? Yes, we definitely have some brushes. So we've got a couple of face brushes and eye brushes as well. I hate these little plastic sleeves. Honestly, I know that it can protect the brushes, but if you're already putting it inside of something, I feel like I can be spared on the extra garbage. These are actually very nice feeling. Wow, that is soft. And the handles on this, these feel very luxurious. So they've got like this textured rubberized handle right here. It does tell you the name of the brush and what it is. So this is the LR335 flat foundation brush. This is a really soft brush, you guys. This I am excited to try. What else do we get? We have an angled contour brush that feels very soft as well. We've got a little mini kabuki, so this is perfect for concealer or blending out other cream products. That one feels very soft as well. Then I think we have a couple of eye brushes. This one is a standard shadow brush, and then we've got a little tapered blending brush that feels very soft as well. Now, comparing these to the synthetic brushes that I got inside of the BOXYCHARM box from Moda, I would say that these are definitely a step up from that. I absolutely love these kind of pewter, darker colored ferrules right here. These feel extremely soft, like very soft, next level. The handles, they just feel a little bit weighted. These are, to me, just off the bat, feeling them and looking at them, just kind of a step up in higher quality. So if we are comparing brush sets in either of the boxes, I would say Ipsy wins for this one. We have an Il Makiage. This is their ink liner. Now, I am a huge fan of their, I'm gonna swear now, Fuck I'm Flawless concealer. That stuff is so good. If you want more of like a natural buildable coverage, it is fantastic. I just hear so many good things about Il Makiage, so I am super stoked to find them in my Ipsy. And that is a pretty interesting felt tip. It's got like a longer tip on it, kind of what Lady Gaga's liner is like. Now, what's nice about this is that it allows you to have more control. You can actually hold your liner out this way, really get a look at where this is laying down. And I'm wondering if this gives more of like a matte. Let's see. That goes on super nice, very opaque. I am very excited about that. Now, I'm a little bit bummed because, like I said, I'm having a total brain space right now. Does Ipsy usually put a card in their box that tells you the value and like what each item is? I swear that they do. This time they didn't. So sorry guys, I'm not gonna know the total value of this box. I could look it up, which I will try to do if I can find everything online. And again, I will put it up here on the screen once we're done unboxing. All right, the next item is from, Dominique Cosmetics, I believe. Yes, this is her sweater weather palette. This is part of her winter launch. Super cute packaging, I might add. But I remember thinking that I wasn't going to be a huge fan of the shades in this. So here's what this palette looks like. Overall, mostly cool tones, which I don't typically gravitate towards, you guys. I honestly do not see myself reaching into this palette at all. This I will definitely probably be saving to put into a giveaway or to give a family member or a friend because again, these are all mattes. I don't know why. These don't speak to me at all. And to be honest with you, I feel like the color story in here isn't the most cohesive. I think the shades on their own are very pretty. They're just not my style. But together, I don't know. I just find this to be a very interesting arrangement of shades. That's just my opinion. That one, I don't think I'm going to swatch or anything. I'm going to save. Moving on to the next item we have from Dr. Botanicals. This is a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. Let's see what is in this. It says it is vegan, cruelty-free, and 98% natural. We've got water, kaolin, which is like a clay, glycerin, cetearyl alcohol, which is a good alcohol, and we've got the one ingredient that makes this pretty much unusable for me. This is a product that does contain coconut oil. So yes, had that one ingredient not been in here, I would say I would be super excited for this, but unfortunately, not a fan of the ingredients. I mean, it is cruelty-free, vegan, it is all natural, but my goodness, if I put anything coconut oil on my face, especially overnight, it's going to be breakout city. Another one that I can't even use and I will have to go ahead and give away. This is from Atour Matte Belle and Argent. I have no idea if I'm saying that correctly here. I believe this is a lipstick in the shade 3 Plays. Talk about some gorgeous packaging. It's one of those magnetic. Love that. And that is a very gorgeous color, just to kind of show you guys. Focus camera. Very pretty color. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one. That's just a gorgeous Your Lips But Better, mauve-y, a little bit more of a warmer undertone type lip shade. Very gorgeous. This is something I can definitely see myself using. And I believe that is it. This is the bag that comes with the Ipsy Plus this month. Very cute. I do enjoy this. I do feel like Ipsy has really stepped their game up on their bags that they include, especially in the Plus and the Ultimate bags, or boxes, I should say. They're really nice, very good quality, very usable. I do like this a lot. I love the colors and I think the bag is super cute this month. So overall, who is the winner? I am actually shocked that I'm saying this right now because like I said, I thought I was going to be very disappointed, but I'm going to have to give it to BOXYCHARM this month. I just think that despite the fact that there's not really any makeup items in this box, I do have to say that there's more in it that I would use versus the Ipsy bag. Now, I love the brushes in the Ipsy bag. Super excited for the Il Makiage liner. The lipstick is cute. I don't have any complaints about that. But the overnight sleeping mask and the palette are just not my thing. There's that. I just think that in the BOXYCHARM box this month, there's just a better assortment of items for me. I love the face primer. Super excited about that. That is just perfect for this time of year. Those of us that are struggling with dry skin. So I'm super excited about that. Especially since this Kate Somerville serum was one of the options to put in this month's box. I think was very impressive. I am really excited to try that out. Super excited to dive into some more hair care and to change this whole situation. I think that this is awesome as well. And then obviously the Moda brushes. There you guys have it. Sound off in the comments below. Let me know what you got in your boxes. I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. And of course, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing before you go and hitting that bell button so that you get notifications when I upload videos just like this one. I love you guys so, so much. I hope you've had a beautiful weekend and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye guys!